How do I use rose water in my hair care routine?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a wonderful natural ingredient for hair care that's been used for centuries, rose water. It is packed with nutrients and beneficial properties that can improve the overall health and appearance of your hair.
Why use rose water for hair care?
Rose water is rich in vitamin C, which is key for healthy hair. It is also loaded with flavonoids and other antioxidants that protect your hair from damage. Besides its health benefits, rose water has a calming and aromatic scent which can elevate your hair care routine into a luxurious self-care experience.
How to incorporate rose water in your hair care routine?
Let's dive into how you can incorporate rose water into your hair care routine. Part 1. As a hair rinse after you've shampooed and conditioned your hair, rinse it with rose water. This can help to nourish your scalp, enhance shine, and even reduce frizz. Part 2. As a hair mask, you can mix rose water with some natural ingredients to make a hydrating hair mask. Combine rose water with aloe vera gel and honey. Apply the mask to your hair. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse. This mask can hydrate your hair and improve its texture. Part 3. As a hairspray, fill a spray bottle with rose water and spritz it on your hair whenever it needs a little pick-me-up. It's a quick way to refresh your hair and scalp, and also leaves your hair smelling great.
Where to find rose water?
You can easily find rose water in many health stores, supermarkets, or online. Make sure to buy pure rose water without added chemicals or fragrances to get the best results for your hair. So there you have it, some simple yet effective ways to incorporate rose water into your hair care routine. It's a small step that can bring a world of difference to the health and vibrancy of your hair. Remember, consistency is key, and the natural goodness of rose water takes some time to show results. So be patient and enjoy the process. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep glowing naturally.